Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video we are going to solve a new DSA problem of gigs for gigs. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss this types of awesome video whenever I upload. Okay, without getting late, let's start the video. Guys, first, what exactly is you have to do? You have to come on the gigs for gigs site. Okay, let me just see you. And yes, I hope the screen was visible to you. Now you have to come on the gigs for gig side here, and here in filter section you have to select the easy. And because we have already solved the school level and basic level all the questions, if you haven't watched the previous video, I will put the link in description box. You can watch from there. Okay. Now in topic section you have to select the array. Okay, and here you will see we have already solved multiple problem, that is you can see here missing number, and second is duplicate in an array, third is leader in an array. Okay, and today we are going to solve that is equilibrium point. Equilibrium point, this question is already asked in Amazon and Adobe, that's why it's become important. Okay, if you are preparing for interview, if you are preparing for any job, okay, or whether you are a student, then this problem is very much important for you. Okay, so first, let's deep dive into the problem statement, and then we will discuss the approach on whiteboard, and then after we will jump to the coding part. First of all, we have given an array A of n positive numbers. The task is to find the first equilibrium point in an array. We have given an array of n size, and our task is to find the equilibrium point. Okay, first equilibrium point in an array. Equilibrium point, what exactly? Now we need to understand what exactly is the equilibrium point. What is equilibrium point? Okay, then it says that equilibrium point in an array is an index or a position. Equilibrium point in an array is an index or position such that the sum of all elements before that index is same as sum of all elements after it. Okay, basically we have to find an element, okay, so that before its and after its sum are equal. Okay, that particular element is known as equilibrium point. We have to return the index of equilibrium element. Okay, in note section it is given that return equilibrium point in one based indexing. Okay, array is one based indexing. Okay, take care of this. And return -1 if no such point exists. If there is no equilibrium points exist in an array, then in that situation we have to return -1. Let's take example first. Okay, example first, that is I have given a length 5 and containing the element 1, 3, 5, 2, 2, and we have to return the equilibrium element index. Okay, so let's come on the whiteboard and understand what we have given. Guys, first we have given what? We have given an array. Okay, given an array. Array equal to what it is? 1, 3, 5, 2, and 2. Okay, we have to find out the equilibrium point or equilibrium element and return the index of that particular element. Okay, so problem is saying what is equilibrium point? Equilibrium element is that particular element before its and after it the sum of all elements should be equal. Okay, let's suppose 5 is a equilibrium element. So before its means 1 plus 3 equal to, after it, that is 2 plus 2, 4 equal 4. So 5 is equilibrium point or element. So we have to return the index of equilibrium element. So return what is index? 0, 1, 2. So since it is first index base, so index of first element, that is first, and this element is 2, and for this element, that is 3. So we have to return 3. Okay, what we have to return? We have to return the index of equilibrium point. Okay, let's discuss what will be our approach to solve this problem. Okay, approach. Guys, we have given an array, okay, containing element 1, 3, 5, 2, and 2. In first step, calculate sum. Calculate total sum. Okay, let's calculate the total sum, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4, 5, 9, and 4, 13. Okay, total sum is 13. Now, what we will do, we have calculated total sum, that is 13. Now, we will just start traversing from a starting point, okay, starting element, and calculate the sum and just subtract from the total sum. Subtract from the total sum, and then we will check what? We will check this total sum is equal to current sum. Okay, let's current sum is currently 0. Okay, now we will come to this element. Current sum will become 1. Now we will subtract from the total sum, that is what? 13. 13 minus 1 equal to 12. Like that, we will just come to this element. Here it is 12. We will just minus 3 from here, then it will become 9. We will just subtract 5 from 9, that is 4. Okay, now here the current sum, that is 1, and plus 3 equal to 4. Here you can see this 4 and this 4 are equal. It means that this is the equilibrium point, because this sum, this was the total sum. We have subtracted from the left element. We are subtracting left element sum, and we have reached at a point that is equal to, from left and right, both sums are equal. So that is the equilibrium point. Okay, I hope you got my point. Let's jump to the coding part. We will code it here, there. Okay, let's come on the code editor. We have given a, that is an array, and let's make it array. Okay, array, and n is the length of the array. So what we will do, let sum, okay, equal to 0, that is initial sum. In first step, we will calculate the total sum. Okay, so for that, we will traverse on the array, let item of array, and what we will do, basically just update the sum plus equals to item. Okay, now we have sum. Okay, that is total sum. After that, what we will do, we will declare a variable, that is current sum that is 0. Okay, current is 0. Now we will traverse once again on the array for let I equal 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. Okay, now inside for loop, what we will do basically, we will just update the sum variable like that, sum equal to sum minus array of I. Okay, array of I. Then what exactly we will do? We will just check if sum equal current sum. Okay, if both are equal, then that is the equilibrium point. We have to return I plus 1. Okay guys, after if loop, if it is not, then we will update current plus equals to array of I. Okay, and after this for loop, what we will do basically, we will return array of I. Okay, that is, in that situation, if there is no equilibrium point exist, then in that situation we have to return -1. Okay, so this was the problem. Let's compile and run. What will happen? We will see there are how many test cases are there. Okay, I hope it should work. Here you can see our output and expected output both are equal. And let's submit this, and we will see how much test cases are there. I hope it should pass because our algorithm is very nice. Okay, nice guys. You can see here that there are 1122 test cases were there. All these test cases have been passed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, if you ever like this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss this types of awesome video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next time with next DSA problem. Thank you very much.